I dey do menial jobs for 1,000 naira before I become governor. Nwifuru. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you notice once we drop new updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The governor of Ebonyi State, Francis Nwifuru, he don open up the things wey him dey do before he become governor. He say he use to dey do menial jobs, that is small jobs like conductor, bricklayer dem. He say when he dey look back on him life, he dey realize say na God na him don bring am this far, make e for be example to the youths. According to the governor, he say he be bus conductor before and also na bricklayer when he dey look for 1,000 naira job every day. He dey talk this one for one vigil for Adoration program when they hold on Tuesday for Mbaka to mark the second year anniversary of his administration. Nwifuru say when he look back for him life, he dey realize say na God na bring am far, so that people go draw courage from his own story. The governor say if him fail his assignment from God, the youths dem they go suffer. According to am, he say he join Adoration when he be conductor, and anytime when they get small issues and they dey sleep for Enugu, he go Adoration ground, especially for 2001 to 2003 when Adoration dey witness a lot of challenges. He say fr.mbaka don be spiritual leader, consultant in so many ways. He say he dey trustworthy and he dey reliable. He say he no dey look at him shortcomings, him mistakes dem, even though a lot of people go allow that one to be cloud their judgment. He say him dey gifted to dey speak to them as the governor. He say some people no be so. That na why he no go take am as a right, but na privilege to serve them. He come talk say even before he contest for his second election for 2007, he say he still dey do bricklayer work, and then less than 5 years he come become the speaker of the State House of Assembly. He say a bricklayer who dey look for a job to get 1,000 naira per day, and he say like a joke, he don become the governor. Say make they pray for am, make him not disappoint God, so the youths them no go suffer. Country people, this testament, or call am testimony, when the governor dey give so, na to motivate people, to let people know say if dem dey hardworking, God go fit turn them to wetin him desire for them. E get a portion for scriptures when e dey talk say make we not despise small beginnings. Na that message na the governor dey preach so, that as a young man, a young woman, whatever your hand find to do, make you do am Now today you don't know tomorrow. When God talk say him go bless for Bible, now the work of your hands, now him say him go bless. So the message when e dey inherent for wetin Governor Nwifuru dey talk. Now for the youth not to look to crime or the quick way when some youths take dey get money now, when e don make the level of crime for the country don escalate. In dey try to say hard and legit work with your trust for God, e go pay off so that the youths they go emulate am. Una go recall say the eastern part of the country of late, the government dem come dey fight all these native doctors, when they use the name native doctors for some of them to commit crimes. I go recall for Anambra State how the governor had to come out to take a strong stand against these fetish people when behind the cover of say there be native doctors, they do other heinous crimes. That one can bring some sanity. And also the recent case for Enugu State, where a native doctor, they do kidnapping and rituals, under the scene. So I think it is timely, say the governor, they use in life to tell youths, say if you dey engaged in any legitimate also, make you not dey ashamed, make you trust God, because now only God now go fit change a gate man to a great man. Make you ask Mordecai for Bible, now his story be that. This story now when the governor talk, it dey bring people reaction, to this story. Some dey praise am, some dey praise am for the state. Others too, they say, oh, this is story they show why they not get any key project for the state since he assumed office. Where it depends on who they talk and where they talk from. But make we not lose sight of wetin the governor they talk, because this talk it dey applicable to the youths all over the world. Nor they ashamed of your hustle. So far it dey legit that once you trust God, God now know how he go turn am around to take make you become wetin he want make you be. Country people, I wanna see this story.